everyone! Today we're going to speak about scissors and how we look after them. For those who make paper flowers, scissors can be the main tool. Even if you have machines, cutting machines like Cricut or Cameo, whatever you have, scissors must be your best friend. I am Anastasia Ivanova in Sydney Paper Flowers. I cut a lot with scissors and I have my favorite ones. These orange guys from Fiscars. This is an American brand. They make lots of cutting tools and different stuff. So I use them. Believe you or not, I sharpen my scissors every day, sometimes even twice a day. If I make flowers like roses, which I cut most of the times with scissors, not a machine. So the sharper your scissors are, the better your flower will look, the nicer edges of your flower will be. So let's get into this. Let's find out how should we look after them. The first rule should be never ever cut with your paper scissors anything containing adhesive materials. Nor your sticky tapes, nor your boxes with paper supplies, your purchases from Amazon, whatever you have with adhesive. Do not use your very favorite scissors. You can use either any other special allocated for this job scissors, or you can get a cutter like this. This one designed especially to cut these sticky tape on boxes. Perfect thing. So what you should do when you need to sharpen your scissors, first you need to check if there's any grease on it. If you accidentally cut something like sticky tape, or if you from time to time do this, I do not, but my kids do, sometimes they can just steal my scissors for a second or so and cut something they should not cut. Well, whatever happens, I need to clean them. In Australia, we have eucalyptus oil for everything. I use this one. This is an eucalyptus oil water-soluble solution. So that's a little bit of eucalyptus oil, which is great degreaser, I'd say. That it's distilled in the water. So this is kind of, I'm not sure how many percents in this one, but it doesn't matter. This is a great degreaser. You can use any other degreaser you can find in your local shop. So you use a small cotton pad and you just go, well, my scissors are not bad today, they are pretty clean. So you take off all the grease and sticky material you can have on your blades. Be very careful because, well, even not sharp scissors may be sharp and may hurt you. Take extra care when you do this. So now they are nice and clean. There are a few ways to sharpen scissors. Well, yes, you can go to the special guy who sharpens knives, scissors and all this stuff. Pay money to him. He will do this for you. Well, sorry, I do not have time for this. I do not go out from my studio just for this simple job. What I do, you can get a roll of foil, the regular one from the supermarket, which you use for roasting your something, or for barbecue, whatever you use the foil roll for. I do not want to spend money for foil. I do not waste foil which was designed just for kitchen needs. What I do, I collect this stuff like this. That's just a thin aluminum lid which covers this plastic pod. You know, when you buy yogurt or sour cream or any other products from supermarket, they have this type of lid on this plastic pod. So when I take them off, I just wash them and keep in a special box. And when I need to sharpen my scissors, what do? I just cut these tiny, 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 millions of times you can cut this. So when your metal blades cut this thin metal sheet, they do sharpen themselves. Easy, cheap, fast, and really working thing. You can do this. Take 1 or 2 or 3 leads and cut them to pieces. Now, believe me, your scissors are much better. Sometimes I use this method. Sometimes I do this. As I told you, I have Fiscars. Well, I have several scissors, you know. These ones are my favorite. They are, I don't remember the name, but you will remember the look. You can Google Fiscars scissors and you will see these orange ones. I love them. And I got this sharpener from Fiscars. So this is one of the sharpeners. They all have the same idea how to sharpen blades. That's a little different to what we have for knives. So I just pretend like I cut this thing with my scissors. Remember, you need to do this only one way motion. Only cut. Do not try to do this in and out, in and out. This will damage your blades. Just cut this way and do this. Keep a piece of foil or this sharpener just close to you, and every time when you do when you make paper flowers in bulk, just keep them handy, and from time to time just do shik shik shik, and your scissors are perfect. Just to show you what I mean actually with not perfect scissors, you can see this edge that's absolutely ugly. This is not smooth. This is, I hope you can see this, especially here, see, these are tiny bits of kind of teared paper, not cut. And now I have much better scissors, and I will cut absolutely the same petal, and I'll do this. Well, I was in a hurry a bit, right? And so, yeah, you know that the front side of paper will almost always be fine, but what we see at the back, now my scissors are pretty sharp, and this cut is absolutely smooth and almost perfect, almost like I would use a cutting machine. So don't forget, sharpen your scissors as frequently as you can. Believe me, your flowers will look much better, way better. Enjoy and show us your flowers.